Looking for a great way to encourage employability skills in the classroom? TETRIX Prime not only supports students while learning the basics of robotics, engineering, and coding, but also assists students as they learn and practice skills such as creativity, critical thinking, collaboration, and communication. TETRIX Prime is a real-world robotics platform made classroom accessible. The rugged durability of the metal frame ensures longevity to your program, while the easy-to-use connectors decrease the time it takes to complete a build. And the standards-based curriculum will be a great addition to your classroom. The TETRIX Prime solution comes equipped to give you success right out of the box, with guides included in every set, as well as all the parts and pieces you need. You can start building right away. Plus, every kit comes with our proprietary quick connection system, helping your students create their structures even faster. The sets are also customizable with a la carte pieces, expansion sets, and additional curriculum. Each Prime kit is suitable for up to 2 students. When it comes to programming your creations, TETRIX Prime has a few options. You can use the TETRIX Pulse Robotics Controller and the graphical TETRIX Arduino software, and then transition to the syntax-based coding using Arduino Software IDE. Or you can combine a LEGO EV3 with the TETRIX Prime EV3 module to code in the EV3 programming language. TETRIX Prime allows for students to let their creativity soar. Through offering real-world challenges, teachers are able to help their students better understand the purpose for the engineering design process. Along with the materials included in every TETRIX Prime kit, additional online resources are available, including building guides, challenges, tutorial videos, and even CAD files so that you can modify and even 3D print your own pieces. TETRIX Prime allows middle school students to practice engineering, coding, and employability skills, all while experiencing hands-on exploration.